Hello children, good morning. So today we will learn about topologies in networking. Okay, first we will take quick revision too. So here our class begin. So children, in our previous class we discussed about these networking devices. First one is switch. This one is the example of switch. Here in this we are connecting computers. Okay, these are the ports where we can connect the computers, and this switch we are using for making these temporary connections between two or more devices. Next one is hub. Hub is also we are using as a connecting device, and this by this we can connect multiple computers. And in hub also, here these are the ports that we can use, and here we are placing the that cable of the computer. Okay, the difference between switch and hub is that switch is smarter than hub, or we can say that hub is also known as dumb switch. Why dumb switch? Because in switch, okay, suppose this one is switch, and here node 1, node 2, and this one is node 3. All three nodes are connected to switch, network ban gaya. And this switch is also connected to server. Okay, now node 2 is requesting something from server. What happened? If we are placing switch here, then switch will take data from the server and give it to node 2 only. Okay, in place of this, if we are using hub, then what happened? If we are using hub here, suppose node 1 is requesting something, hub what it will do? It will take data from the server and it will give it to all three nodes. So that's why this hub is also known as dumb switch. Okay, next is router. What is the function of router? It will provide you the best way, okay, best possible route for transmitting the data. This is a function of router. This is the network. Okay, this is the network. Few computers are here and few are here. So this one is network. This one is receiver and this one is sender. Now sender want to transmit the data to the this receiver. This one is node 1, node 2, node 3. Okay, if we are placing router here, okay, router is there, then what is the function of this router? When data is coming from this sender, router will check which path is the best one. Then router select which path is the best one, and data will transfer from that specific path. Okay, so this is the function of router. Router is there for finding the best possible route for transmitting the data. After this, what we discussed in our previous class, we have discussed about bridge. What is the function of bridge? This one is LAN 1, this one is LAN 2, and if we are connecting these LAN with the help of this bridge, so what is the function of bridge? Bridge will connect two different LAN, and its function is to remove, or we can say to filter the data. So this one is bridge. One more term is there, one more device is there, gateway. Function of gateway is to connect two different network. Okay, next one is repeater. Repeater function is to give the strength to the signal. Yesterday also I told na that suppose these are this one is your cross country race, this one is source जहाँ से बच्चे जा रहे हैं, this one is destination जहाँ जाना है. So many signals. Now these are the signal. They are not the student. These are the signals. Signals start moving from sender from source to destination. What happened? That in the long distance, that few signals they lost their strength. So Meenakshi ma'am will come. In cross country, what happened? Few students they feel tired. So Meenakshi ma'am here is what? Meenakshi ma'am is repeater. Okay. What ma'am will do? Ma'am is giving you glucon D or that glucose, so that will provide you the strength. In the same manner, repeater will provide the strength and to re-establishing the signal. Okay, strength of the signal. Okay. Next, now our today's task is topology. Okay, topology, network topology. What do you mean by topology? Children, topology means physical and logical arrangement of nodes. ठीक है, What do you mean by this? That we can connect our computers. ठीक है, a node, what is node in network? Node means computers. So we can connect these computer in many different methods. This one is first example, that we can connect computer in this star format. देखो star है ना ये. What is this? अगर if we are checking that this one is star, so we can connect computer in this star format, or we can connect computer in this ring format. You will check what is there. This one is ring. ठीक है. Or we can connect these computers. You can check this one is ring. Or we can place the computer in this bus topology. This one is bus. ठीक है, एक सिंगल स्टेट बस इज देयर, ऑल द डिवाइसेस आर कनेक्टेड टू दैट बस. सो बस टोपोलॉजी, इन दिस मैनर वी कैन अरेंज our nodes, or we can arrange the data, or sorry, node in mesh topology method. Mesh means all nodes are connected to one another. All nodes are connected to one another. This one is mesh topology. Or we can arrange the data in एक ट्री टोपोलॉजी और होता है, इट इज नॉट देयर इन योर सिलेबस. So now we will take look of these topology one by one. What is actually topology? Topology means arrangement. ठीक है, what do you mean by topology? Topology means arrangement of nodes of computer. The physical and logical arrangement of these nodes of these computers in a network is known as topology. Or we can say that network topology refers to the way in which nodes or computers or of a network are linked together. Means how we can arrange. ठीक है, in exam question if we come तो define network topology. Topology means होता है arrangement. आपके जो भी computers हैं आप उन्हें कैसे arrange करते हो. ठीक है, that method is known as topology. Network topology means arrangements of node in the network. ओके, समझ में आया. हम उनको ऐसे भी अरेंज कर सकते थे. वी कैन अरेंज दैम इन दिस मैनर ऑल्सो, इन दिस मैनर ऑल्सो, इन दिस मैथड ऑल्सो. ठीक है, so these are the different topology. So our complete topology is divided into 4 parts. First one is star topology, bus topology, ring topology, mesh topology. ठीक है. So what is topology? Topology means arrangement of nodes of different computers in the network. This one is topology. ठीक है. Now we will learn about these topologies one by one. First one is star topology. Star topology, here all nodes are connected to this central device switch. ठीक है, this one is switch. All nodes are connected to this central device. This central device is known as switch. ठीक है, and this switch, by this switch is responsible for forwarding the data. Suppose this one is the computer, this one is the computer. This computer want to share the data with this laptop. What happened? This computer is giving data to this switch. Now switch is taking that data and give it to this laptop. In place of this, suppose in place of this, if I am placing hub there, ये hub होता, then what? This laptop is requesting, this one is server, this one is requesting. ठीक है, this one is client and this one is server. What hub will do? Hub will take data from the server and it will distribute, it will give the same copy to all the devices. That's why we are not using hub here. ठीक है. So switch, first one is star topology. Star topology means that arrangement of nodes in this star format. देखो ये they all are stars. You will check ये star formation हो गया. ठीक है, so this one is star topology. Star topology में क्या होता है? That all the nodes are arranged in the form of star. देखो this will make one star. Next topology, अच्छा, next one is the advantage of this star topology is minimal line cost. Line cost is minimum because देखो कितना छोटा छोटा सा वायर it they are using ना. So this one is star topology advantage, that minimal line cost. Next one is if any of the local computer fails, the remaining computer of the network will work unaffected. One more advantage is this one, that suppose in this any of the node is fail. ठीक है, तो ये नोड होगी, इसको हटा देंगे नेटवर्क से, then all the remaining nodes they will work efficiently. ठीक है. So this one is the advantage. Disadvantage is the system crucially depend on the central switch. If it fails, the entire network goes. Means this complete system is divided on this switch. If this one is will not work, then the entire system is not able to share the information. Complete system depend on this switch. ठीक है. So what is the star topology? Star topology where the complete all the nodes are arranged in the form of a star, and in this that one central device we are using switch. That switch we are using for sharing the information. ठीक है. So this one is star topology. Next one is ring topology. Children, you all have seen ring ना? That ring, how ring it looks, इसी तरह से का तो होता है. That this one is your ring. So what is ring topology? In ring topology, the nodes are connected in a closed loop. This one is closed loop. देखो close हो गया ना? It is visible to you. This one is closed loop. ठीक है. जब when we are arranging the computer in this manner, when we are arranging the computer in this manner, that they are forming one ring. इनके बीच में wires हैं. They are placing like this. ठीक है. So what did form? It form one ring. So in this ring topology, what is there? That all the computers are connected to each other in ring format in a closed loop, and each device is connected to other device. Each device is connected to other two devices. ये देखो, each device is connected to other two devices, and one of the both, that no computer is designated here as a central computer. Here every node can act as a server. ठीक है. यहाँ पे कोई भी सेंट्रल कंप्यूटर नहीं है. दिस नोड इज कनेक्टेड टू दिस वन एंड दिस वन. सपोज दिस वन इज नोड 1, दिस वन इज 2, 3, 4 and this one is 5. Now node 1 want the data from node 4. How it will take? Node 4, it will send request with the help of node 5. It will send it request with the help of node 5. 1, this one is 5, this one is 4, this one is 3 and this one is 2. Node 1 wants data from node 4. It will send it request to node 4 with the help of this node 5. Now node 4 is sending the data with the help of node 3, 2 and then 1. In this manner they all are sharing the information. ठीक है. So this one is ring topology. Here data here travels only in one direction. ठीक है. यहाँ से क्या होता है? डेटा इज ऑलवेज ट्रैवलिंग इन वन डायरेक्शन. अगर सपोज रिक्वेस्ट उसने इस डायरेक्शन में फॉलो किए तो डेटा विल कम फ्रॉम दिस डायरेक्शन. सो डेटा विल मूव ऑलवेज इन वन डायरेक्शन ओनली. ठीक है. समझ में आया? व्हाट इज द एडवांटेज ऑफ रिंग टोपोलॉजी? इट वर्क विद वेल वेयर देयर इज नो सेंट्रल कंप्यूटर. ठीक है. यहाँ पे किसी के पास भी ऑथेंटिकेशन नहीं है, कोई भी सर्वर नहीं है. ऑल कैन एक्ट एज अ क्लाइंट और सर्वर एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. It is more reliable than star topology. More reliable है because in star topology, suppose this one is server, ये वाला नोड है, ये फेल हो गया. Now what? ठीक है. यहाँ पे क्या है? अब ये वाला जो नोड है ये फेल हो गया. So this will create problem. ठीक है. So in place of this, अगर हम बात करते हैं that topology, ring topology, this one is more reliable, more safe. ठीक है. Because data is moving only in one direction. Next disadvantage is it required a complicated control software. ठीक है. Second disadvantage is failure of one node result in the failure of entire network. एक भी नोड है अगर वो वर्क नहीं करेगा तो what happen? That entire network is not able to do work. ठीक है. एक if this node is not in working mode तो ये entire network is not will work. So in this what happen? How we can do the arrangement? If this node is not working, then next time we will so we can resolve this issue by connecting this computer to that computer. Now they will make one ring. ठीक है. So this one is ring topology. ठीक है. Next one is bus topology. Bus topology, as its name suggests, in this what happened? This one is your bus. Here we are using one central network. This one is central bus network. In this what happens? Suppose this node is there and this node want to share the data with this computer, this PC. ठीक है. This one is your bus. All the node, this one is node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4 and node 5. All the nodes are connected to this central device. Here सपोज नोड 5 वांट सम डेटा फ्रॉम नोड 1, ठीक है, तो नोड 5 इज सेंडिंग रिक्वेस्ट टू दिस बस, ठीक है, एंड इन रिटर्न दिस node 1 is also sharing its data to this bus. Now bus is taking data from node 1 and give it to node 5. ठीक है, समझ में आया? बस टोपोलॉजी here all the nodes are connected to that central cable that called bus, and bus is a single continuous cable and transmission of the any node travel to the length of the bus in both the direction. One advantage with this, ठीक है, जैसे अगर हम रिंग टोपोलॉजी की बात कर रहे थे तो डेटा विल मूव ओनली इन वन डायरेक्शन, ठीक है, इसी डायरेक्शन में मूव करता था, बट इन बस टोपोलॉजी डेटा विल मूव इन बोथ द डायरेक्शन, इधर भी मूव कर सकता है, इधर भी मूव कर सकता है, ठीक है, इस नोड से लिया तो इधर मूव किया, एंड सपोज दैट बस इज टेकिंग डेटा फ्रॉम दैट नोड, ठीक है, इस नोड से लिया तो इधर मूव करेगा, सो इन दिस मैनर इट विल वर्क. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट आर द एडवांटेज, ठीक है, एडवांटेज ऑफ बस टोपोलॉजी इज इट इज क्वाइट इजी टू सेट अप बिकॉज वन सिंगल वायर वी आर यूजिंग एंड विद दैट वायर ओनली वी आर कनेक्टिंग ऑल, सो दिस वन इज द एडवांटेज दैट इट इज इजी टू सेट अप. नेक्स्ट वन इज फेलियर ऑफ वन नोड डज नॉट अफेक्ट द रेस्ट ऑफ द नेटवर्क, ठीक है, एक भी नोड अगर यहाँ पे फेल हो जाती है इट विल नॉट अफेक्ट द वर्किंग ऑफ द अदर नोड्स. इफ दैट स्पेसिफिक नोड विल नॉट वर्क, उसको हटा दो, ठीक है, बट इन रिंग टोपोलॉजी व्हाट हैपन, इफ एनी ऑफ द नोड फेल तो कंप्लीट नेटवर्क है वो डंप हो जाता है, बट इन बस टोपोलॉजी इफ एनी ऑफ द नोड फेल then what, then that node you will remove from the network, rest of the network will work easily. समझ में आया? This one is the advantage of bus topology. What is the disadvantage? It offer limited flexibility for change. ठीक है, आपके पास लिमिटेड वो होता है that you can change the devices. Next is a signal on the bus must be strong, ठीक है, enough to reach the receiver. आपका जो सिग्नल है it must be strong कि वो सेंडर से रिसीवर तक इजीली चल जा सके. So this one. After this, next topology is mesh topology. Children, in previous three topology, in star, in ring, or in bus, in all three topology, what is there that if any node want data from other node, whatever inside in between, तो सब nodes के पास जा रहा था, ठीक है, और but in mesh topology, here all the nodes are connected to all other nodes. In mesh topology, you will check this diagram. In mesh topology, what happened? That all the nodes are connected to each other with all the remaining nodes. ठीक है, यहाँ पे every node is connected to every other node. This one is node 1, this one is node 2, node 3, this one is 4 and this one is 5. Suppose node 2 want data from node 4. ठीक है, in ring topology what happen? If node 2 want from node 4 data, ठीक है, तो node 2 is sending request to 3, 3 is giving request to 4, है ना, then 4 is giving the response to 5 and 5 to 1 and then 2. But in mesh topology, that every node is directly connected to other node, so what happen? It will take data directly from that node. ठीक है, उसको जिससे डेटा चाहिए. Now here node 2 is requesting, node 4 is asking, node 4 is giving, ठीक है, so node 2 is sender and node 4 is receiver, sorry, node 4 is sender and node 2 is receiver. Now what? That node 4 will directly give this to node 2. So this one is mesh topology. Here every node is connected to every other node. Okay. So in mesh topology, all the nodes are interconnected to each other and allowing each node to have direct connection with all other nodes. ठीक है, so what is the advantage of this mesh topology? That failure of one node does not affect the rest of the working, ठीक है, rest of the computers in the network. एक भी नोड अगर खराब हो गई then no problem, rest of the nodes they all are already connected to each other, ठीक है, तो they will directly deal with each other, so there is no problem if any node will fail. Next advantage is communication is very fast between any two nodes. Obvious है that every node is connected to every other node, so communication is very fast, directly they are connecting, directly they are taking data. Next is Changes in the network can be done easily without interrupting the other nodes. It is easy that suppose if we are not interested in this node, if we want to remove this node, then what? It will directly cut all the connections related to this one. Okay? So this one is advantage, that easily we can changes in the network, we can easily do. Disadvantage, most expensive network. Most expensive, it is obvious that so many wires we are using here. ठीक है, तो सबसे expensive हो गया that we are connecting. So this जितना wires we are using, so this one is the most expensive, that every node is connected to every other node. ठीक है, so most expensive one. Second one is maintenance of this network is very difficult. Maintenance is difficult because so many wires are there. ठीक है, so many wires means so many connection, so many devices. So it is difficult to maintain all the devices because every computer there here, every computer required so many ports. ठीक है, अब देखो one computer is connected to 1 2 3 4 wires. ठीक है, so or suppose in the network or 5 7 computers are there. So it is difficult for this computer. So one single computer is having so many ports. Same with this one. ठीक है, तो this one is a complicated network. Easy है that we can easily share the data. Speed अच्छी होती है. But the problem is that this network is very difficult. So children, in our today's class we discuss about different topology. Topology means arrangement of node. We can arrange these computers in the network by 4 method. First one is star topology. Second one is ring topology, bus topology, mesh topology. One more topology is there, hybrid. Hybrid होता है on that combination of any two. ठीक है, that one is hybrid topology. Now next one is page number. Wait, first topology is star topology. Here the arrangement of node is in star format. Next topology is ring topology. All the nodes are connected in ring format. Closed loop बनाते हैं. And if any node is not working, so that complete network होगा, that will damage. ठीक है. And in this the data is moving in one direction. This one is node 1, node 4. Node 1 wants some data from node 4. Node 1 is sending request to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Now node 4 is sending the data. ठीक है, so through node 5 and in through this manner to node 1. So this one is there in ring topology. Here data will move in one direction only. This one is bus topology, that one central bus is there, one central device is there, all the nodes are connected to each other. Here data can move in both the direction. इससे लेके इधर भी move कर सकता है. From here it will take data and move in this direction also. So this one is which topology? Bus topology, because bus is their central device. Next is mesh topology. As compared to above three topology, mesh topology, all the nodes are connected to each other directly. They are requesting with each other. ठीक है, and the advantage of this is that its speed is very high. That node will directly they are contacting with each other. Disadvantage is that it is a complex network. Obviously it is a complex network that so many wires are there, so it is difficult to maintain this network. ठीक है, मेंटेनेंस इसकी थोड़ी टफ होती है. Communication is fast. This one is advantage. And failure of any node will not affect the working of other. If any node fails, does not work, because every other node is connected to every other node. ठीक है, so it will not affect the working of other nodes. ठीक है, next one is changing the network can be done easily without interrupting other nodes. ठीक है, here we can do easily changes we can do. So these are the topologies, children. This topology topic is also an important one, especially the definition of this network topology and types. ठीक है, an exam question will directly come, explain star topology. What do you mean by topology? What is the difference between ring topology and bus topology? So these are the questions that will come from this topic. ठीक है, so thank you so much children for listening me. Now if any problem, no problem, we will discuss in our next class. Thank you so much for listening me and giving me your valuable time. Thank you class.